Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I think we have a Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Check them out. The link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get this shipped out to you in no time. Let's see what it is. Alrighty. Oh, nice. Oh, my good friends over at Mpow. Mpow. Selfie stick, universal phone holder, tripod, smartphone. Really nice. Nice to have an extra one in case. Great stocking stuffers for anyone now. Especially these days and time, right? How they got everything going on where you almost need one of these. All you vloggers out there. Great for sports and photos and all that. It comes with the remote for selfie mode. You got that, bam. And you could go like sideways. You can get sideways. And it extends like that. Put your phone. I'm going to try my phone. Hold on one sec. I'm going to grab it. But you go down here. Pull it down on the ground. Come on. This is what I kind of use. So a different brand though, but this is really nice to have. There we go. We got that. Then the remote comes out like this. Oop. It is Bluetooth. You could also do video recording on it. Oh, come on. It's kind of hard. Hold on, let me free up my hand. There we go, slides off. Pretty easy. I just had my nice little remote for selfie mode. And you got that. And then we got, I'm gonna raise you guys up too. This thing goes pretty high. It's like, oh wow, this one's higher than I thought. There we go. All the way up, all the way down to the base. I'm gonna put the phone on it. I usually watch like Netflix and WWE Network on them. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. We are on the top, and we're gonna show you how to put it in. That's good enough. I want to show you guys that stuff. So, kind of like that. Bada boom. Then you can drop it down. See? And then you can tilt it sideways. Oop. You have it sideways. Really cool. Like I said, I use it for watching movies on my phone and stuff like that. So, really cool to have. Check them out, YouTube, Mpow, on Amazon Prime. You guys have a good day, be safe, and see you guys soon.